Hey guys, Mass Mechanics here and welcome back to the channel. This is our C3 Corvette build that we were working on heavy last year. We are going to be reintroducing this car in the springtime. Now that it's starting to warm up, we're going to start getting the transmission swap done in it that we built for it. You can check out the videos on that. What makes this car really cool and it's got me really excited about it is we did a bunch of work to it over the summer last year where we did an LS swap, nice 6-liter. You can check out the videos for that. It came out great. Did the custom side pipes, a ton of other stuff. So I'm going to do a little bit of runtime on it, get it fired up and warmed up, check the systems, make sure everything's good so we can do our tranny swap. Check it out. Well, guys, there you have it. Now you know why we're so excited about building this car. It's really going to be a mean street car for sure. I can't wait to get this thing ripping and really having fun. But the other interesting thing about this car is it's one of the few videos where you're going to see the Phytech retro LS setup on a car. That's what this is. I have a whole video on it if you want to check it out and how it's all done. But it looks like a carburetor, but it's fuel injected, runs the coil packs, and it'll even run our new transmission that we're going to be putting in come spring here. That 4L80E we did a couple of videos on when we built that from the ground up. So you can check all that content out too, because there is quite a bit of Corvette stuff on our channel, and there will be more to come. It's a lot of fun, and I really like this car. So please, guys, like, subscribe, and check out our other stuff. You can even see us on Instagram. We are the Mass Mechanics.